In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play downloaded Amazon Prime videos. This process will ensure that you can enjoy your favorite shows and movies even without an internet connection. It's essential to understand that you must use the Prime Video app for this, as downloaded content is encrypted and can only be played within this app. First, open the Prime Video app on your device. As you do this, you will see a clean interface with various options available. The app should launch smoothly, displaying your recently watched titles and recommendations. This step is crucial because the Prime Video app is your gateway to accessing all your downloaded content. If you have not installed the app yet, be sure to do that from your device's app store. Next, sign into your Amazon account if prompted. This will allow the app to recognize your library and any purchases you've made. Once logged in, you will notice your personalized content available at your fingertips. This sign-in process is vital because it ensures that your account details are secure and that you have access to your purchased content, including any downloaded videos. Now go to the Download section or navigate to My Stuff and then Downloads, depending on your device. On the download screen, you will see all the movies and TV episodes you have saved for offline viewing. This organization makes it easy to find what you want to watch without scrolling through your entire library. It's comforting to know that all your downloaded content is in one place, ready when you are. Select the downloaded movie or TV episode you wish to watch. As you do this, the app will highlight your selection, making it clear which title you are about to enjoy. This step is important because it allows you to focus on your chosen content, ensuring you're ready for a seamless viewing experience. After selecting your title, tap or click play to start watching offline. The video will begin to load, and you should see the familiar play interface with the play bar and options to pause or adjust the volume. This is where the fun begins, and you can relax knowing that your downloaded content is now available without the need for an internet connection. Once your downloads are complete, turn off Wi-Fi and cellular data or enable airplane mode. This action will ensure that you are not connected to the internet, allowing you to focus solely on your content. Disabling your connection is key because it keeps your data usage low while you enjoy your videos. Now open the Prime Video app again. You'll navigate back to the app, which is still familiar and welcoming. This continuity helps you stay focused and ready for your viewing experience. Go to the Downloads section once more. By revisiting this area, you can easily access your saved titles. It creates a sense of ease, knowing that your content is just a few taps away. Next, play your downloaded content. Some titles may occasionally require an online license check before they can be played offline, so be aware of that. Nonetheless, starting the playback is straightforward, and you can enjoy your movie or show in peace. If a downloaded video won't play, try these steps. First, ensure you're opening the video from the Download section of the Prime Video app. This is important because trying to access it elsewhere will not work as the content is locked to the app. Next, verify that the download hasn't expired. Most downloads are available for 30 days, and once you start watching, you usually have 48 hours to finish before they expire. Checking this can save you frustration later on. If prompted, reconnect to the internet so the app can verify your subscription or refresh the download license, then try again. This ensures that your account status is current, which is necessary for playback. If the problem persists, delete the download and download it again. This simple action can resolve many issues, allowing you to enjoy your content without further delay. Note, if you're using the Prime Video website in Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari, you won't be able to play downloaded videos. offline downloads are only supported in the Prime Video app. This reinforces the importance of using the app for your downloaded content. Enjoy your viewing.